ஃபேக்ட்ரி வணக்கம். இன்றைக்கி இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம் அப்படின்னா ஃப்ளைட் ஃபேர்ஸ் வந்துட்டு எப்படி செக் பண்ணுறது, அதில் லோ காஸ்ட் ஏர்லைன்ஸ் வந்து நம்ம எப்படி சூஸ் பண்ணுறது, ஃப்ளைட் ஃபேர்ஸ் எப்போ வந்து கம்மியாக இருக்கும், அதை எப்படி நம்ம அந்த ஃப்ளைட் ஃபேர்ஸ் வந்து கரெக்டான நேரத்தில், அதாவது லோ ப்ரைஸில் இருக்கிறப்போ நம்ம புக் பண்ண முடியும். ஃப்ரீக்வெண்ட்டாக நம்ம எப்படி ஒரே நேரத்தில் எல்லா ப்ரைஸஸையும் கம்பைன் பண்ணி எப்படி ஒரு லீஸ்ட் ப்ரைஸ் வந்து சூஸ் பண்ணுறது அப்படிங்கிறத பற்றி இந்த வீடியோவில் பார்ப்போம். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு நிச்சயமாக யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும்னு நினைக்கிறேன். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகலாம். Hello friends, welcome to Learners Factory. Vanakkam. In this video we are going to see how to choose the least fare to travel your desired destinations. So in this video we are going to see how to find the least fare. If you are planning to go places and you are searching for flights, and also you will be searching fares, and obviously we will be searching least fare, that is low fare. So how to choose the low fare flights and how to describe it, which is used to find those kind of low cost airlines. Okay, now we are going to see those things in this video. Let's get into the video. So now friends, we are going to see how to find least airfare or least flight fare. Okay, for that you need to go to Google Chrome, and in the address bar type, one moment please, the address bar. So the website name is www.skyscanner.com. So the website name is skyscanner.com. Enter it. So this is the website. We are going to use this website to find the least airfare for the particular city pairs or your desired destinations. Okay, now what you have to do is, in this flights there are three options in this website: flights, hotels, car hire. So you can use if you want to find hotels, you can use this option, and if you want to find any cars or cabs, you can use this option. Okay, now I'm going to use this flight option to find the least fare. For example, I'm going to put Chennai. So the system itself is automatically provides the Chennai with the city code, and you can click on that. So it will append the details to that source from city. Okay, after that you need to give to city, that is your destination where you are going to. Okay, now I'm going to give the destination will be LHR. Okay, for example, I'm giving London Heathrow. Click on that. I'm going to give the date. So this date, what you have to do is, you have to provide the date when you are traveling. I am giving April 22nd, and then I'm going to click on this. It has been since it is a round trip, you have to click on, make sure that you have click this return button. Okay, so then you have to provide when are you going to return from London Heathrow. Then I'm going to give Monday 27th of April. Okay, here you can provide how many passengers, like adults, children's. Okay, so I'll provide only one adult. Let's see how the fare would be. So the fare would be least fare, I hope so, and let's see how the system is going to work on that. Okay, Now I click on this search flight option. The system automatically finds the best airfare for you. So it is automatically checking all the websites, all the flight airlines websites and everything. Are you able to see this? Almost 885 results. 885 results. So you can imagine the power of this system, particularly the skyscanner.com. Are you able to see here the Skyscanner is automatically by default it shows that skyscanner.co.in. What does it mean? Are you able to see this skyscanner.co.in? What does it mean, guys? This means the Skyscanner automatically finds the location of where I am searching the fare, where I am sitting and searching the fare. So obviously I'm from India, so it shows that .co.in Indian website to find the fares. Okay, here you can see the lot of details are there, and here there are 3 options. Okay, what are those? Direct, one stop and 2+ stops. The direct means the direct flights. One stop means there will be a stop, at least one stop, and 2+ stops means 2 or more stops. Okay, so here what I'm going to tell you is for this one stop and 2 stops, everything is there, but the direct flights is always costly. Based on my observation, it is costly, and first stop also sometimes will get more cost, but here 2+ stops shows more. It shows costly, but the one stop flights it shows a little low than the 2+ stops, but it is quite different to me also, and let's see which one is better for us. Okay, now I'm going to check what is the best available fare for London from Chennai. Okay, so if you choose 2+ stops, the fare automatically will get reduced. Okay, so if you're finding if you don't bother about the stops, and if you don't bother about the duration of the flight, then always choose this option will be pretty helpful to you. Find the best fare for you. So plan accordingly, like 1 month or 2 months before, and also you will get very good fare. Okay, so I think this video is really helpful to you. Go and search on this skyscanner.co.in or skyscanner.com, and it is really helpful to you to find the best airfare and least airfare for you. And most of the time it shows that really pretty good fares, and sometimes it gets higher, sometimes it gets lower, and so plan accordingly. When are you going to travel? Based on that you search this website, and it will be very helpful for you. And I hope this video is really helpful, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and like my videos, share and comment. Okay, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe my channel. You will get more videos like this. I'll provide a lot of details to you. Thanks for watching Learners Factory. We'll see you in the next video.